Look how many we went through already.
It's only shit. Yo, shit.
What?
Look at that. Like 5 fucking layers.
Yo, if the styrofoam shit sticks onto it. This is so ghetto. Oh shit, suck. Alright. Yo, oh shit. Alright guys, crackers. Yo, you want some?
Yeah.
Cracker sandwiches. Alright. Dig in. Alright, you go. Not good? How good is that? That look good? Not good?
Yeah.
It's a cracker on a cheese.
It's a lot of cracker.
Where's the box? I guess put the box. Wasn't it right here? Not here. A lot of crackers.
That's the shit right in there.
There's another one. Who wants it?
Oh!
I think we have enough for 2 more rounds.
Yeah. 2 more hits.
We're gonna make a 1 cracker rule later on.
Oh! Shit.
Hey, careful with the drugs, buddy.
Almost dropped the
Cocaine.
liquid cocaine.
Liquid cocaine. It's some exclusive ass shit. Next
With this amazing, like, godly, god-ass,
God-ass.
like, goddess-ass, like, cracker.
Yo, what are you doing, Daniel?
It's almost too beautiful to eat.
What are you doing?
Daniel, do you want some? Open your mouth,
How
Daniel.
about you eat the crackers that are
Open
on
your
pants
mouth,
right
Daniel.
now? We're gonna Photoshop it into your mouth. You won't actually taste it though.
I already ate it.
Open your mouth.
I'm gonna fold up another one. You guys want
Open. You gonna fold up another one? Let's see. Let's see this amazing
some? You
skill.
want some? It's stuck
Oh.
to the thing. Why are you looking at the table, yo, retard?
I'm not.
Alright.
Oh shit, another
Dinner
snack.
is served. We've had like the weirdest shit in my house, yo. Like, I remember once we just ate like straight up cherries, remember?
What about watermelons, dude?
Watermelon.
Yeah, we ate
We left
watermelon.
it over the fence.
Yeah, we threw it over the fence. Right, that fence over there. Because the garbage can was a little too far away. Much more.
Oh no.
Daniel likes it when my mom cuts up watermelons in the summer.
Oh shit. Yo, don't talk. Don't. My mom might find out.
Right.
Like, she might find out that, like, we're doing this type of shit. I don't know. Shit. Like, hold up. Shoot. Oh my god. She's on to me. Wait, I'm gonna use my smooth moves.
We got enough for another set.
It's the last.
Last round.
Yeah. So how much you put in, Daniel?
What?
This time it's gonna be extra thick. The cheese. This is the last round.
Yeah.
Because we're gonna have it. No, wait. No, wait. Just wait up. Wait up.
Is that what, how he was eating? Was he eating with this? Oh shit, one more round.
Wait, last round. Hold on. You could double it. No, we need just have it. You know what? Just have it. Yo, watch this. Watch this. I'm gonna get a little bit. So.
One more fold. Two more folds.
You know what? You get one. You got yours.
You got yours.
And we have this half
Oh
left.
shit! Yo, shut up! It's my mom. Oh shit.
She can't find out you're doing this kind of stuff, dude.
I know, man. This is like
Dude, you'll be
like,
leave
embarrassing
shit with the
and
cops,
hell.
man.
I know, man. Shit. She said.
Especially this cheap ass
She
shit.
said, "K, when are y'all home?"
She's
now.
gonna be mad that you don't even have like the class to get like good stuff. I mean, craft. Like seriously.
Yeah, like I know, man. Like it's like processed.
All right, wait.
You want that pure shit.
How do we divide this into 3?
Yo, what's the time right now?
Actually, I don't even know. Do you have your phone?
No, it's 4:36 a.m.
Oh, my hands are clean.
Yeah, it is
Let's split that in
4:30.
three.
It's 4:36.
Split that one in 3.
I am, dude.
Yo, it's 4:36 in the a.m. We should really go to.
Is that your messed up ass
Yeah.
phone? What's the camera looking down there? Something interesting on my sock? Have a look at this and this. Dude,
What?
are you texting addict? Are you texting addict?
Yo, what the hell is Yo, what the hell is
I told you to look at it. It's evenly distributed, dude. I told you. 3, it's a triple decker, man.
We need some extra shit on this, though. We need some. Yeah, yo. We need some extra shit. We need some sharbat. We need some shorbet. Oh, I thought it was
You
cheese.
dropped the base. The mirror.
Look at these sad packages.
You gonna eat yours or can I eat it for you?
I'm gonna eat my temple of cheese.
Oh, Pepsi's in there.
Oh, you gonna get some acid?
Nice.
Oh, acid. Look, it even says on the label. Acid.
Should I shove it in your mouth?
Yo, I just felt my balls vibrate.
You probably have cancer.
Oh, it's my mom. Texting me. Look at this. Look at this acid. Look at this top notch.
Is it warm enough for you guys?
Can you put this in the microwave?
Oh man, no, it's aluminum.
Look at these nutritional facts.
You know how blurry they look?
I know.
You're scrubbing the surface of the can with the lens.
No, man.
Jeez, it's 10-minute video already, man.
Jesus. Wait, let me post it somewhere. Hold up, let me put it in a good spot. We can capture all three of us. Wait, is this safe? Is it safe to put it here?
No, just give it to me. That's enough for you.
We'll just like put it over there.
The corner.
You guys like it inverted? Whoa! Oh shit! You know what's weird?
What?
Look.
What?
Yo, what the hell is this symbol, guy? It's like some guy who's going like this, and there's like wind like reflecting off.
Okay,
his
that symbol is it's like
yo.
it's-
My first sip of acid. Tastes like Pepsi, guy.